Hello friends, welcome to Leaf Creations, Masterful Leaf Drawing Techniques, your go-to destination for unlocking the secrets of breathtaking leaf art. Today I will tell you how to draw a leaf in an easy steps. First of all, draw a line, then draw these curves in this way, like this and this. We will join this line. Similarly, draw this curved line again on another side, like this, in this way. Now draw these lines inside the leaf. Again on another side. It look like this. Now finally leaf is ready. Fill this bone with black color. Now fill the whole leaf in light colors with pencil. My channel is dedicated to teaching you the art of drawing leaves, from the delicate veins to the vibrant hues. Whether you are a budding artist or a seasoned pro, you will find a treasure trove of tutorials, tips, and tricks to elevate your leaf drawing skills. Connect with fellow leaf artists, share your creations, and get feedback in my vibrant online community. So, finally, my leaf is going to be ready, and it's ready. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification